Type in a request. Something nuanced, perhaps. Describe the quiet determination of an old lighthouse keeper. Instantly, text appears. Smooth, articulate, evocative. A flicker of insight, a spark of understanding, seemingly born from nothing. For most of us, this is where the story ends. The magic just happens. We see the output, but remain oblivious to the immense, invisible journey it took to get there. Yet, it's precisely this hidden journey that holds the most profound insights and the greatest misconceptions. The common assumption is that AI understands in the way a human does, that it feels the weight of a lighthouse keeper's solitude or conjures output from some digital subconscious. Neither could be further from the truth. An AI doesn't think, feel, or truly grasp meaning in our human sense. Instead, what you witness is the culmination of billions of numerical operations, a complex dance of probabilities performed at astonishing speeds. It is, at its core, a sophisticated pattern-matching machine, predicting the most probable next word in a sequence, over and over, until the sentence is complete. The AI's journey begins not with comprehension, but with an act of digital dissection. Your prompt, describe the quiet determination, is first sliced into fundamental units called tokens. These aren't just whole words. They can be parts of words, punctuation, or even common phrases. Each token is then assigned a unique numerical ID, digitizing every concept within its immense vocabulary. This ID then undergoes a remarkable transformation. It becomes a high-dimensional vector, an embedding. Imagine this vector as a unique coordinate in a vast, invisible semantic map, a string of hundreds, even thousands, of numbers that encodes the token's meaning and its relationship to countless other tokens the AI has learned from. In this numerical space, words like king and queen might be worlds apart in a dictionary, yet their embeddings would place them intimately close, reflecting their shared essence of royalty. With every token now a rich, numerical vector, the AI faces its most intricate challenge, deciding where to focus. Picture a sprawling train switchyard, where every track represents a word or concept it has just processed, or indeed, the millions of words from its entire training data. When the AI needs to predict the next word in your sentence, it's like a specific train entering this complex yard. The attention mechanism acts as the intelligent switch operator. It doesn't merely glance at the last word. It rapidly evaluates every preceding word in the sentence, even the very first, and even potentially relevant concepts from its vast internal knowledge. It dynamically determines which of these tracks are most relevant to predicting the word to come, assigning them precise, varying weights of importance. So, for determination, it might heavily weight quiet, but also subtly factor in lighthouse keeper from earlier in the prompt, recognizing its crucial contextual influence. This is how the AI maintains coherence, understanding that bank means something entirely different depending on whether river or money preceded it. These highly weighted insights from the attention mechanism are then fed through multiple layers of neural networks, meticulously refining the AI's understanding of the sequence. Finally, the AI arrives at its moment of prediction. It doesn't simply choose a word. Instead, it generates a list of every possible word in its vocabulary, assigning a raw score to each for being the next word in the sequence. These raw scores are then precisely normalized by a mathematical function called softmax, transforming them into a clean, interpretable probability distribution. Now, they might have a 10% chance, a 8%, and 5%, and so on, for hundreds of thousands of words. But here lies a critical, counterintuitive step: sampling. The AI rarely just picks the word with the absolute highest probability. Sometimes, it deliberately selects a slightly less probable, yet still plausible, word. This sampling strategy introduces a controlled element of apparent randomness. Pick the highest probability every single time, and the AI often sounds dull and repetitive. Introduce a little temperature, a slight bias towards less probable, but still good, words, and you unlock responses that feel strikingly more creative, more human-like. The chosen word then becomes the newest input, and the entire intricate process, tokenization, embedding, attention, prediction, repeats, building your sentence one word at a time, until a stop token signals completion. So, that seemingly instantaneous, effortlessly creative sentence about the lighthouse keeper, it wasn't magic, nor a sudden stroke of digital genius. It was a staggering cascade of meticulously engineered numerical computations, transforming language into numbers, intelligently weighting context, precisely predicting probabilities, and strategically sampling outcomes. Understanding this mechanism fundamentally demystifies the black box, revealing not a sentient mind, but an extraordinary, calculative feat of engineering. This grounded understanding is absolutely crucial. It empowers us to interact with AI more effectively, recognizing its true strengths as a sophisticated pattern matcher, and crucially, its limitations. It doesn't truly know or believe what it's saying. It helps us discern where real human creativity and understanding remain irreplaceable, and where AI can genuinely augment our capabilities. As these systems become ever more integrated into our lives, a clear, non-sensationalized perspective isn't merely academic. It's a fundamental literacy for the future, empowering us to build, critique, and leverage these powerful tools responsibly.